What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out of 1,000 notes because I haven't been here in a while. Let's go see what's up. We got Nike Westlake. That's a dope ride, dude. I didn't even see what it was. But yeah, let's go see what's up. Nike Westlake. It looks like 20% off all footwear. Okay. Man, I'm definitely here late. It is late afternoon before they close. Does say 30% off select items. I just saw a reseller who had his entire car filled with stuff. Oh my goodness, that means I missed out. Damn. Never seen them have like an extra clearance sale. In the back right here, looks like it's mostly grade school. Yeah, that's what it looks like. You do see these right here, Vaporfly Next Percents. These are $175, but you do get 30% off and then another 20 on top of that, so almost 50% off. So damn. I was like, where's the clearance section? It's over here. Everything here you get 30% off, and on top of that you get another 20 off on top. Wow. Jordan 11 IEs, Jordan 11 low IEs. Man, if you wanted these, this is the time to get them. Get them for hella cheap. 140. It is 140. You get that extra. Someone accidentally put that there. Get that extra 30% off. I could get that extra 20% off to be able to get these for that price too. 185 for these, size 10. Extra discounts. This is the first place I should have stopped off at. Yeah, I ended up going to a few places today. This is my last stop, dude. Air Max 95, size 8, go for $150. Got size 8.5, so the Jordan 11 low IEs. Size 15, 110. Then 30 off, and then you get another 20 off or whatever. Damn. $110. So these are what, $60, 60 something dollars, $55, something like that. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s, $260. Get that deal. That's a size 13 though, right? Yeah, 11.5 on that. Slim pickings though. Slim pickings. Man, that's what happens when you come here late, man. Look at these Air Max 97s, $85, and then you get the extra discounts. This is under $50. Holy cow, how did someone not pick this up? Holy cow, that is insane. Chiefs, got some Chiefs sneakers right here. 110 for these. 110, man, I know someone who wears a size 12 too, and he's a Chiefs fan. Damn. Did the math, that'd be 61 for that. Thinking about it. Trying to figure out how generous I feel, because if I got it from him, it'd be a gift. Size 7, 85 for these. Hella cheap. 95 for these. It's a 7.5. Let's check out the aisle, see what's going on here. Being able to get mids for a discount, that's pretty dope, unless you have access to the clearance store. This is a solid deal. Chicago colorway. This is the reverse spread? Is that what they call these? I don't remember. More mids. The 7s, if they had the Cardinals maybe. Then they got all these other ones that y'all aren't into. Got Huaraches going for hella cheap. Air Max 2017s. Torch 3s. Another 2017. Under $100. Flight 89s, Air Max 97. This is a fire colorway. I don't know why, but just black with that subtle red just hits really hard. I'm a huge fan of that, especially for that price. Do got tons of sizes, up to size. There's a 13 right there, 11.5. Yeah. Do got Jordan 1 lows going for 20 off. Those are Jordan 1 low golf. Got Witness 6s, Soldiers, Zoom Freak 4s, Tentacumpos under $40. What's that? $34. What color is this? What color? The black and white. Then take 1 4s. Then some take 1s right here. Trainer 1s. Correlates right here. Blazer mids. We got some Monarchs. Some turf shoes. Pegasus 37. Plethora of these. Got a black one right here on the back, same price. Get in people's way. Pegasus 39. Another one of those. And I was in such a hurry, I didn't even notice. Do got a few J's right here, some infrared golfs right here, infrared low 6 golf, women's royal, what is it, hyper royal 12s. Got some satin looking, no, those are interesting. Got 7s pointing the wrong way, these are size 7. Got some 4s right here, size 4. We got some women's laneys right here. I could have gotten these for 100. I still passed. Georgetown mids, stealth 6s, size 9. And then got these canvas dunk size 7s. Okay. And then I see items on this wall that we haven't even seen. Look at this. They do have the UNC 13. They had a ton of these. They had a full size run a while back. Be able to get those for 20% off. That's pretty fire. They had a full size run of these as well. They let people buy 10 per, which that just, I don't know, that just confuses the hell out of me. You know, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I got those as well, 20% off. Got Vapor Max left and right. We've been seeing these for hella cheap, like 130 right here. You get that 20 off, 180 for those. Dang, these fools hiding more clearance stuff. Look at here, 30% right here. Damn, dude. Kyrie Low size 9. Let's go for 90. Remember, you do get 30 off, and I believe you get 20 off on top. Zion 2s. A couple of those. Size 13. Dude, got these Air Force Unos right here. $150 for these. Got Blvd all over it. Okay. All right, I did want to point something out for you guys. So the clearance section, everything is 30% off. You do get another 20 on top of that. And then all of the stuff right here, I was right. If anything here, it says more than 20, you get another 30, and then you get a 20. So these are almost going to be like 47 bucks or something like that. Definitely the cheapest we've seen that. Remember, you do get full box everything as well, which is freaking fire. Even these blazers, get it for $80. You get 30 off, and then you get another 20 off. It's compounded, so technically it's not 50, but it's damn near close. Damn near close. It might be like $1 off or something like that. But yeah, do got these. Do have my size. I'm just not picking too many things up. And then all this stuff right here, like it's just 20% off, so you just get 20. That's it. Checking out the women's section. You got Jordan highs, mids right here. Got the Mars Yard 5s. Got up to size 9.5. Got some dunks. Air Max 2021s, 2017s, 270s. This would have been 30 and 20 on top of that. Not too many sizes. Up to size 6 women's, 4.5 youth. I was wondering where the heck the women's clearance section was. I just talked to one of the workers. I was like, hey, I saw a reseller like have a truck full of Nikes. I was like, did he find any heat, or was he one of those Amazon sellers? So he was one of the Amazon sellers. He just grabbed a bunch of like running shoes, that type of stuff. Yeah, I'm looking in the women's section. I'm like trying to talk to the camera and look at stuff. It's like hard. 80 bucks for these. It's a size 9.5. Remember, you do get 30 and then 20 on top. Metcon size 9 go for 100 bucks. Vaporfly Next Percent going for 150. That's a 7.5. Size 10 Vaporfly Next Percent. I was hoping I could find the Alphafly Next Percent here, especially with these prices. Not so lucky. Some mom shoes right here. Some Air Max Bliss right here. Go for $110. Vomero 16 size 7 go for 80. Air Max Pre-Day. I love that. Love the paint on that. Love the color. 75. Got some Forces right there. Nothing for these. Not really much, dude. Not really much. Metcon 8 Flys go for 100. Checking out the clothing real quick. I need to go pick up my kiddo, but look at this. They got this dope material, and then they waste it on yoga. Man, dude, really? Like, come on, dude. It's a freaking robe. Come on, dog. Really? The pants, maybe? Nah, the pants, that'll get dirty in like 8 seconds. Jordan brand apparel. $18. $18.97. You get 30 off on top of that. Holy cow. That comes out cheap. Dude got Sweats as well, $30, so that's not too bad. You get that extra discount. T-shirts 40% off, so 25, 40 off. More clearance stuff, 30% off. You do get 50 bucks, 30 off. These are all XLs. Oh, this is a medium, 55. No more Jordan hoodies, 35 for this one. I'm not a big fan of that one though. Dry fit t-shirts going for 19. Various sizes. 86, 85, $85 for these sweats? Really? Normally $120. They don't feel that great. Oh, this one shows 55. So obviously I'm gonna try to get for that. 30 off on top of that. Random stuff right here. Got tote bags, small tote bags, 35. I don't know if that's a tote bag, but that's what it seems like. I don't know all the definitions and stuff. Got small backpacks for kids, 50 bucks. Do get 30% off. Some, is that tennis? Yeah, the tennis hats going for 23. All right, I gotta go pick up my kid. There is plenty more to look at, but I gotta go. I was like, where's the clearance section? It's over here. Everything here, you get 30% off, and on top of that, you get another 20 off on top. Wow. I did want to point something out for you guys. So the clearance section, everything is 30% off. You do get another 20 on top of that. And then all of the stuff right here, I was right. If anything here, it says more than 20, you get another 30, and then you get a 20. So these are almost going to be like 47 bucks or something like that. Definitely the cheapest we've seen that. Remember, you do get full box everything as well, which is freaking fire. Even these blazers, get it for $80. You get 30 off, and then you get another 20 off. It's compounded, so technically it's not 50, but it's damn near close. It might be like $1 off or something like that. But yeah, do got these. Do have my size. I'm just not picking too many things up. And then all this stuff right here, like it's just 20% off, so you just get 20. That's it.